Have you ever spent hours trying to perfect a perfect cosplay? Or maybe you wanted to see yourself as your favorite gaming character, but maybe you just didn't have the budget for the outfit. Well, I just found an AI tool that transforms you into any character instantly. And I have to say, the results are mind-blowing. That's hilarious. All right, folks, I'm super excited to be talking to you today about Vidmage. So essentially, it's an AI-based swapper. It works with videos, photos, and quite frankly, it's one of the best high quality ones that I've seen out on the market because there are actually quite a few of these. And I want to show you today how we can do a few cool things. So the first thing I'm going to show you is right up here in the face swap section. We are going to go for a video face swap. And I'm going to show you how I can turn myself basically into a cool little anime cosplay type style character. So we're going to go and hit the video face swap section here. We are logged into our account here. So basically the first step is to upload a video with a face. Now, if you don't have a video or you just want to test it out for the first time, well, it's all good because you can go down and actually use their templates right here. Okay, now folks, so we are on the AI face swap video section here. I have uploaded a video with a face right here. It's this AI cyborg girl here, as we can see, and then I've uploaded a picture of my face here. We're going to go ahead and hit swap face and let the AI on Vidmage get to work. So it's actually pretty astonishing how quickly it's able to do the actual analysis here. All right, so that's actually come through pretty quickly, and I can't say that I feel like I'm looking too attractive in this one. It's actually kind of funny, but the point is, hey, what do you reckon? Is that me? Let's have a look. It's playing through there. Yeah. Looks like I might be trying to seduce someone or something. I mean, they got it pretty accurate, don't you reckon? That's pretty accurate. Now, folks, if you're a gamer, if you're a geek, if you're into AI, fantasy, cosplay, anime, then Vidmage is the one for you. As you can see, it handles makeup, lighting, extreme fantasy, anything. The possibilities are endless. It really does effortlessly blend your real face into the virtual world quite seamlessly. All right, folks, so now we're going to go ahead and check out the actual photo face swap section, where essentially this is going to be really cool. So what's really cool is you can test it out because they've got also, same as the video, they've got the little images which you can actually choose there. All right, so we can go into the portrait section here, for example, scroll down. Let's go Spider-Man. So I want to become Spider-Man, yeah? So I've uploaded the Spider-Man image first, then we're going to upload my face photo, front facing, same as before. All right, so I've uploaded my photo. Let's go ahead and click face swap and let's see what it generates. Not bad, right? So that's me on the right and Spider-Man on the left, but really who's the real Spider-Man? So what's really cool is you have this drag feature from left to right. So you can actually see this was the original Spider-Man here, as you can see. And if I drag it the other way, I'll drag it slowly, you can just see my face has pretty much been put on there. And I mean, it's done a fairly good job, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. But I'm pretty impressed with that. I'm now Spider-Man. So the best part for me is that it really does give you unlimited creativity and freedom when it comes to creating videos, swapping your face into a real video, a real image. It gives you everything. It also gives you the templates, which we just showed you before, or if you want to upload one of your own images as well, or one of your own videos, you're going to be able to do that as well. So pure creative freedom. And of course, you can test out different hairstyles, different skin tones, fantasy races, everything. And if it wasn't obvious already, it's going to save you a ton of time, money, and stress by giving you a much better output than what you would probably pay a high ticket for anyway. It really is going to give you premium shareable content for your social media. What's really cool is that even if you've got like a group of friends or something like that, you can do a head swap fix for multiple people. Vidmage really does bridge the gap between reality and fantasy, and it's just something that you need to have, a ridiculously fun, exciting tool to up your game when it comes to fantasy, anime, or gaming, and cosplay. Ready to step into the shoes of your favorite characters and level up your content? Click the link in the video description to try Vidmage today for free and start creating.